When installing NHRA decal, you want to clean the vehicle with 50-50 alcohol and water. Take off all the dirt. You have to make sure that it is dry. Do not try to install the decal in wind or direct sunlight. You can use masking tape to tape it on the vehicle. When measuring for alignment, always want to measure to a flat letter on each side. You would never want to measure to a round letter and a flat letter because it could be crooked. So you measure to a flat letter, both sides. And then you can take the tape loose when you're measuring, move it, get the decal so that it's level. You can get 2 more pieces of tape on the vehicle and just use your pen to mark the proper location. Pull your decal off. Make sure to pull this tape completely off. Tear it from the inside of the decal off. Never want to pull it down, it would tear the paper. So now you have your two marks for alignment on your decal. Try to peel the decal flat. This is why you don't want to do it in the wind. Don't be afraid of the decal. It will not stick up. It has to be installed dry. Line up your 2 lines. Rub it down with your finger so it stays on the vehicle. You can do it either direction. Notice I have a small wrinkle here, so when I pull it up, I want to snap it up. Always start in the middle, squeegee down and then up. Same way at this side. Want to snap it up. Start in the middle, squeegee down and up. When we peel the paper off the top, always try to peel it flat, like that. Peel it slow and always listen for a small portion of the decal that might not be sticky. You'll hear it pull up. And you're done. Any other questions, you can call the phone number on the information decal. Thank you.